Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video here is for the people that were interested in the gear change on the 2002 Camaro SS. I messed up. I got the gears all in and I had quite a howl, or almost like a whirling sound. Anyway, I suspected that one of the bearings was bad, and sure enough, the carrier bearings. I had too much preload on the carrier bearings and wiped them out. I haven't given up. I ordered a new bearing kit, new pinion bearing, new carrier bearings and everything. I'm going to redo it again. I should have it back up and running next week. I shouldn't have really took on this job because I've never done it before and I really didn't know a lot about it. So anyway, I don't know if you're going to get to see the gains from the gears this year or not. I'm going to try. Once I get them broke in, the thing is, snow could come any day now, but if the snow holds off and we get the gears broke in, we'll get a run. If not, we might have to wait till next year. Anyway, like I say, I apologize, but my advice to anyone thinking about doing gears, if you've never done it before, you're definitely better off getting somebody who knows what they're doing to put them in. But anyway guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.